Hello, my viewers. Welcome back to my channel. God bless you in the name of Jesus. All right, so today I want to show you a very nice topic that most people have been asking me to do tutorials on, which is called block chords. Right. So, all right, what is block chords? So, block chords they're just like a voicing, chord voicing built directly below the melody, right? So, most times you create a four-part harmonized melody, right? So we're gonna do that. You're gonna see that here. Okay, so right. So let's be in the key of C, right? So let's say we have our C major. Now let's add 6, right? So this is C major, right? Then you add 6. So this is like a block chord, right? So let's play an inversion of this. Right? So that's like a block chord, block chord, block chord, block chord, block chord, block chord. Right? So sometimes now we had the melody on the left hand. So we have something like this. Right? So I doubled the melody line. So whatever is the melody line on top, I'm playing it on the left hand. So right? So we have a right? Okay. So that's it. So now let's add a minor 6 note to our major major word scale, right? So because we want to create some nice melodies with it. So this is going to be a very long course, but you need to join the channel membership to enjoy the longer videos. All right, so let's look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's add this. Then about 6, 7, 8. So we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ba 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 ba. So ba 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 ba. Right? So now let's so if you want to harmonize this now, we have something like this. With our 6. Now we have this chord next, right? D major 7. We have this C major 6. We have this F diminished 7. We have this C major 6. We have this A flat diminished 7. We have this A minor 7. We have B diminished 7, and then back to our C major 6. All right, add 6. Okay, so now let's try and learn some major stuffs here. There was this melody line I learned from one of the jazz pianists online here. Okay, so it plays something like this. Okay, so that's just to show you the idea of these block chords. So what's the idea? The idea is to just use it to voice your melody and make it sound nicer. Imagine that if you have to play. Imagine if you had to play that, and now imagine playing that like this, right? I added some other melodies to that, but that's just like the basic idea. So let me show you this one very slowly. But you need to join the channel membership, right? First, to support this channel. We are doing a great work on this channel. We need support. Most people think we have support from. I mean, our support is from God currently. There's no one running this except God. So, but we need human support also. I hope we do understand that. People who can, please rise up and help us. Okay, so join the channel membership. Then of course, you get special perks, and invite your friends to subscribe to the channel also. If you have a very good number of subscribers, let's say 100K, 200K, and we have a lot of people watch our videos, I mean, we'll definitely be able to afford most of the things we need. So we need many more subscribers also. Please tell your neighbors, your friends to subscribe to this channel. So let me show you what I'm playing. The melody line. So don't forget the idea. The idea is that your left hand is doubling the melody that of your right hand. When I say melody, that's the top right melody. So that's it. So slowly we have the middle screen. So you see what the left hand is just playing just one note. So we have this. So we have it. Right. Uh, right. Yeah. Then. Uh, okay. My own melody. When that is. So one more time. All right. So because there's also a kind of vamping rhythmic style when you are playing like something like. Okay, so there's also a rhythmic style or while playing this. So please subscribe to the channel, like the videos. If you like good things, like the videos, join the channel membership, tell your friends about this, let things just get better. And you also get better. I will get better. You get better. We all get better. Right? So, alright. Alright. God bless you. Bye.